Yesterday I have explained the laws of exponent. Today I will explain some extra question related to the laws of exponent. My first question is 25 raised to power 3 upon 2 multiply by 243 raised to power 3 upon 5 upon 16 power 5 upon 4 into 8 power 4 upon 3. How can we solve such type of a question? The best method is here in the fraction power is 2, 3 upon 2. Try to write 25 in the power of 2. How can we do this? Like we can write 25 as 5 power 2 whole power 3 upon 2 multiply by, here in the fraction power is 3 upon 5. So try to write 243 in the power of 5. We can convert it as 3 power 5. 243 is 3 power 5 whole power 3 upon 5. If you don't know 243, you can find the prime factor of 243 as like this: 381, 327, 3, 9 and 3, 3. You see 243 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 power 5. You can find in this way, right? Upon here 16, you have to convert 16 in the power of 4. How can we write 16? You can use the factor method or can remember that 16 is 2 power 4 whole power 5 upon 4 into 8 2 power 3 whole power 3 upon 5. Now using the laws of exponent, you see a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Using this rule, we can find 5 power 2 into 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 power 5 into 3 upon 5 whole upon 2 power 4 into 5 upon 4 multiply by 2 power 3 into 3 upon 5. Sorry, here 4 upon 3. It is 4 upon 3. It is 4 upon 3. Right? Now, you can cut 2 here, 5 will 5, 3, 3, 4, 4. We will get 5 power 3 into 3 power 3 whole upon 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. Now again, using laws of exponent, a power m into b power m, it is equal to a into b power m. Using this rule, we find that 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 power 3 upon 2 power 5 into 2 power 4, a power m into a power n. When the base are equal, then power is added on multiplication, m plus n. So here it is equal to 2 power 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now you can find 15 power 3. It is equal to 3375 and 2 power 9, it is equal to 512. You can find 15 power 3 by multiplying 15 3 times. Okay? And 2 power 9 by multiplying 2 9 times. Right? So here it is the answer of this question. Now the second question is two power n multiply by 2 power n multiply by 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 power n 2 power n is equal to 3 upon 2. We have to prove that. Question is prove that. Okay. So we take left hand side 2 power n into 2 power n minus 1 upon 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 power n. It is equal to 2 power n into, we can write 2 power n as 2 power n into 2 power minus 1, because here you should see 2 power n into 2 power minus 1. I have told you that if the base are equal, the power is added. If we explain this 2 power n plus minus 1 and it is equal to 2 power n minus 1. So I can write 2 power n minus 1 in the form of this, right? Similarly, in the denominator, we can write 2 power n plus 1 as 2 power n into 2 power 1 minus 2 power n. Now here you see 2 power n, here I think it is a plus sign, sorry, it is the plus sign here, plus sign. Now here you see 2 power n is common from the numerator as well as from the denominator. To take 2 power n as a common, we have 1 plus 2 power minus 1 upon, here in the denominator you see 2 power n is common, take 2 power n common and be left with 2 power 1, that is 2 minus 1. Now 2 power n cut with 2 power n and be left with 1 plus 2 power minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. It is equal to 1 plus 2 power minus 1 upon 1. No need to write 1 because something is divided by 1. The answer is not a change. So now it is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2. Now as laws of exponent, a power minus m is equal to 1 upon a power m. Using this rule, we can write 2 power minus 1 as 1 upon 2. Now simple add taking the LCM, or 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3, it is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to right hand side. So this is all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.